Hello. We appreciate you inquiring about our moving services. We are aware that moving can be a very difficult and stressful time, but we are here to support you every step of the way. When you hire Canadian CT movers, rest assured you're hiring professionals that you can rely on. That's because we have years of experience and solid reputation in our field. As evidenced by our numerous online reviews, we have maintained 5 stars across the board, and we have received Mover of the Year award from HomeStars and 3 Best Rated. Furthermore, we are listed members of the Canadian Business Review Board, and we are proud partners with Green Storage. Our skilled staff are very knowledgeable. We have our knowledgeable sales agents, experts, polite movers, and friendly customer service agents. Our employees are all intensely trained and dedicated to satisfy all your needs and attend to all your concerns by assisting you every step of your move. We make moving seem simple. Our movers undergo intense, rigorous training in order to handle unique items that are big, heavy, fragile, and even small. With the utmost care, we relocate grand pianos, safes, pool tables, and fragile artwork. Additionally, we provide installation services such as TV mounting, hanging artwork, and chandelier installation. Canadian CT movers are more than just your standard moving company. We actually care about the community, which is why we make a big effort to support non-for-profit organizations. Our group staff goes above and beyond to relocate without any hassle, and it's always stress-free. Book now. Click the button below after you watch this video to make our online reservation. We are open 24 hours every day. Call us right now at 416-857-1500. And one of our friendly staff agents will assist you. If you have any questions or concerns, again, give us a call and we will assist you. Whether it be your moving date or just inquiry about moving, let us know. So click the button below. And remember, we treat you like family. Make your best move and let us help you move forward.